Hello, my name is Jimmy, or Elphazor as I'm known in the gaming world. I'm a Cambodian American, born and raised in Silicon Valley. I'm a guy in his 40s who loves hockey, Star Wars, and spending time with his wife and 2 kids. I studied video and audio production in college, and I've been a self-taught designer for over 15 years. Recently, I've discovered a passion for gaming and live streaming. I've decided to combine my 2 passions, design and gaming, to help others who are looking to level up their stream by sharing my experiences and what I've learned. On this channel, you'll find tutorials, tech reviews, as well as other helpful tips. You may even find the occasional vlog as I document my journey as a 40-year-old trying to live out my dreams of becoming a content creator in the gaming world. Feel free to reach out and say hello. I love connecting with new people. Until next time.